Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm making tortilla wraps. It's very easy recipe. I used ready to cook chicken and I'm gonna deep fry this chicken for 5 to 6 minutes until it's golden brown. After 5 to 6 minutes my chicken is ready. You can see I'm gonna dish out. I'll mention this recipe of the sauce in the description box. I use ready to made tortilla sheets and heat up on the pan for a few seconds, and now I'm gonna spread the sauce all over my tortilla sheets. You can see how I'm doing. I add jalapenos and some olives in the sauce. Now I'm gonna stuff my wrap with chicken, jalapenos, some lettuce leaves, some more sauce, and you can add anything additional if you like. I add cheese. You can add more veggies or fries, anything you like. I'm gonna wrap this up, and this is how my wrap looks like. You can eat this in iftar, dinner, or lunch anytime. And I'm gonna heat up all the wraps in the pan, and you can heat this in the oven as well. This is how my wraps look like. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my Instagram account. I'll be back soon with new recipe. Take care and enjoy.